Ka internal committee balatau the vice chancellor in charge ka Nehu Nirmalendu saha ula Aiti ya ka Kaiphot sya ka Tnat Pule Puthi ka Sorkar Pdeng ha ka singi balang haba ai jingkren syakilat pathai kubor professor saha ula kiar ban batai ki jingtip ba benia chong ka Kaiphot ka ba la ban pensngau pai ba ula ongru ba la ban a ya ka tarik ka batikna bat shen arngut ki khot chong ka committee kan sawan ban khmi ya kani ka skul ba.
See, I was given a task by the ministry, to provide some documents relevant to their grievances and all. So, with the help of my officers and few members from the teaching community, I could gather all the informations and that I could submit today. Please don't ask me, these are highly confidential. Even ministry also has asked me not to disclose anything. You will come to know in due course of time. So let it remain confidential because otherwise this inquiry may be affected.